Keep it steady on the right side. The trailer is almost full. Slow down the belt.
These are excellent, definitely premium grade.
Agreed.
I'll log them for the yogurt chips.
Watch the alignment on the left side.
Clear, all secured, ready for departure. The automated measurements were precise.
And the quality inspection confirms the perfect texture. Approved.
The seasoned chips continue through a second rotating tumbler for final flavor distribution. Soft mixing paddles gently toss the chips without causing damage.
Look at the consistency on the seasoning coverage here. Yeah, the new optical sorter is definitely exceeding the specs we requested.
Filled Lay's bags enter fully automated heat sealing machines. Food-grade nitrogen is in every bag. The fully loaded trucks travel across highways toward regional distribution centers. GPS tracking systems monitor every vehicle in.
The multi-pack is good for lunches.
Yes, but the large bag is better for the party tonight. Let's get this one.
Oh, wow, these are so good. That yogurt flavor is perfect. Go ahead, have some more.
Moisture content is optimal, crispness is perfect.
Excellent. The seasoning adherence looks flawless under the scope. We can approve the batch. This data point here confirms the sanitation cycle completed on schedule. Good.
Let's verify the manual checks for this shift.
The purification levels are consistent across all batches.
It looks like the new waste reduction protocols are working better than expected.
Quality inspection complete. Everything is approved for shipping.
Excellent. The global shipment can proceed as planned.
Finished cartons are loaded into trucks and shipping containers for domestic and international markets. Modern logistics systems coordinate deliveries with exceptional precision.
As the sun sets on another successful harvest, these crispy, yogurt-flavored chips begin their journey to take